Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to share with you just a little story and a review I did on this about 2 months ago. It's the Apeman C860 dash cam, and if you've been following this channel, you know the lung problems I've been having, and the problems I'm having now is I need more oxygen per minute, so it's limiting my driving time down to only less than 1 hour from start to finish. I'll run out of oxygen on my portable backpack unit. Anyway, so what I'm doing now, since I can't drive as much as I used to, I'm playing dash cam footage with the normal volume cranked. What I'm going to show you here is dash cam footage from the Apeman and audio from the Apeman as well. This was not added. This is audio cranked up from the Apeman. It sounds awesome. It's an awesome camera. I absolutely love this camera. It's come in handy so many times. And just enjoy this video. And there's a review linked down below for Amazon, and also a review I did on this camera. If you're looking for a dash cam, get the Apeman. It's so easy to use, and it's just a great camera all in all. So enjoy the video.